How to delete all photos at once. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know the ways to delete all Google photos at once. So to do this procedure, open up a browser and on the web address bar type in www.photos.google.com. That is going to take you to their official page. So this is going to take you to your photos section. So what you need to do is, in order to select all, you just have to go ahead and select the first one first of all. Let's say this is how. Now scroll down or swipe right to the bottom or end of the photos. So this is the end of my photo. Now select it, and then you have to go and press on shift. Now you could just go ahead and start selecting all the photos. Now let's say this is the one. Select, when you've actually pressed on the shift, you could go ahead and press on this like this, and just have to go ahead and you can see that 10 items are selected. Just do the same procedure and press the bell icon and make sure to tap on the delete button, and with that you'll have successfully deleted or selected all photos on Google Photos. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.